Good morning, good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Megasoft, where we do not think micro. Today, we'll look into AQWIRE ICO project. AQWIRE is a marketplace designed to handle international property transactions. It will cover hotel booking to residential to commercial real estate, both rental as well as a purchase option. It will allow brokers and property developers to gain access to foreign clients and buyers anywhere in this world. The overseas property market is significant and growing. Nearly 400 billion USD worth of properties were purchased by foreign buyers last year. 150 billion USD was spent by Chinese citizens buying properties outside of China. And cross-border real estate investment has been a growing trend over the last 20 years. All of this suggests that the pace of globalization is accelerating as investors around the world are looking for new sources of growth. Investment in property has always been desired by investors. This is where AQWIRE comes into picture. The AQWIRE marketplace will fully utilize smart contract technology to handle cross-border payments, processing and reservations, bookings, property listings, translations, and buyer-developer verification. The AQWIRE platform is a project developed by AQWIRE, which is the leading cross-border payment solution in the Southeast Asia. AQWIRE will enable AQWIRE project to process e-checks, debit and credit cards, and crypto payments, but will only accept fiat during the early stage of the development. Now, let us look into token details. AQWIRE token is called as key. A total of 250 million key tokens will be produced and 100 million will be sold during pre-sales and ICO. The other 150 million tokens will be used for property developers and brokers, specialized talents, advisors, employees and founders, the network growth and expansion, the PR, the marketing, legal and compliance, and the bounty program. Now that we understand about the company and the token, let us look into the problem AQWIRE is trying to solve. There are a lot of problems as you see on the screen. First, lack of trust among entity is a major challenge faced by international property investors. Second, inefficient property search process due to fragmented listings data, which often leads to double booking. Third, lack of a standard protocol for international real estate transactions. Fourth, lack of real-time settlement of recorded transactions and efficient cross-border payment processing system. And last but not least, ineffective property developer and project validation and KYC. Now, if you think about it, all these problems can be solved if the product is a blockchain-based product. The use of blockchain technology has practical applications for international real estate transactions. Due to immutable nature of the shared ledger, data on the blockchain will be near impossible to change once recorded. The consensus mechanism ensures that all the transactions are verified and data stays in sync between ledgers. While the transactional data will be stored on the blockchain, sensitive data will only exist in a separate storage layer using technology such as IPFS and SWAM. Sensitive customer information used for KYC and other legal purposes will be verified and provided with the associated cryptography key. The user can then use this cryptographic key to sign for transactions on the blockchain. Apart from this, all the transactions that occur on the AQWIRE platform will also be cryptographically signed and auditable. The use of timestamps and consensus mechanism on the blockchain has the ability to prevent the double booking or selling of the same property unit, which is a common problem when a property is being listed by different brokers. And we must not forget, AQWIRE is not just a marketplace listing platform. It can also process cross-border transactions. Like all listings marketplace platforms, AQWIRE will also be subject to the chicken and egg problem. Without enough listings on the platform is not going to attract enough signups, and without enough people, it will be harder to convince property developers to list. This is why launching a token sale makes a perfect sense for AQWIRE project. Finally, let us look at the team behind AQWIRE. The CEO is Ray Refundo. He founded Money Train in California while in college in 2005. It was the first online money transfer service to hit the market. He has years of experience working with banks and well versed with local and international regulations in the payments and money transfer industry. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos on AQWIRE's YouTube channel, and listening to Ray, I am very confident that the project is in safe hands. Next in line is Scott Yu, who is also a co-founder of AQWIRE project. He started his career with Deloitte as an auditor and then moved to CoinDash, which is also a crypto assets portfolio management and social trading platform, before he got into AQWIRE. Finally, we have Lorne Lands, who is an advisor to the project. He has built multiple financial startups that have won awards with PayPal and Swift. He has been programming for over 20 years and has good amount of experience in the Bitcoin and blockchain space. You can see the rest of the team at the website, which is aqwire.io. The ICO ends on 31st of August, and I give this project 4 on 5. Thank you so much.